guys, it's Jaleesa and I'm back with another hair video. Today, I had planned to do a photo shoot, which is why I have this makeup, and I was going to shoot these underwear for Parade and then do a giveaway, a whole thing. I had a braid, a middle part braid, and just this whole thing in mind. And then when I went to go do it, I realized my hair is suffering. My hair is so dry that I need to do something. There's just no way I cannot move forward until I fix this. So I decided that, you know what, let me go ahead and play around with some new products. I just got these new products from Bumble and Bumble. They sent them to me for the free, but this video is not sponsored whatsoever. So I'm gonna go through these products and let you guys know exactly how I feel and what I think about them, and if I would recommend them or not. And also, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any videos. And if you've been here before, welcome back. I love you, and let's get into it. Okay, so I just wet my hair so I can shampoo. What was I gonna say? Oh darn, I don't know, maybe it'll come back to me. Ooh, so we have, this is the Moisturizing Shampoo, Smooth Frizz-Free Curls. Okay, so let's take it. It looks really creamy. I mean, my hair doesn't have too much product in it, so it should take to the shampoo pretty well. I probably only need one shampoo. Okay, ooh. First of all, first comment is that it feels extremely luxurious. It feels really smooth and super thick. It's like thick and sticky, which I don't know. I've never felt that in a shampoo. But you can hear it, it's loud. So I'm gonna concentrate on my scalp, even though I don't have a lot of scalp buildup. I actually forgot to put oil on my scalp, which does not help the fact that my hair feels so dry. So I had a dry, itchy scalp from not putting oil, and then just dry ass hair all throughout. And I know what it is. Like I said, I live in the desert now. And also, I haven't been drinking as much water as I normally drink. So I don't know if that's affecting my hair, but okay, that feels good. Scent wise, it's super mild. Like, it really doesn't smell like anything other than like pleasant, you know, like standard pleasant scent. So I'm gonna rinse this out, and then we can, I guess what's next would be the butter mask. Immediately I have a couple of notes. So this says that it's a moisturizing shampoo, right? So it should make my hair feel a little more moisturized, perhaps. Or maybe not. Maybe it's just, basically, when I was rinsing out the shampoo, I could just feel that my hair was dry. Now, I know that my hair was dry prior to the shampooing process, but I just thought that it would give me a little bit more like moisture or smoothness or something, you know? Like, when certain shampoos that are like very moisturizing will sometimes make your hair feel a lot softer after shampooing, just after, without even putting the conditioner in. After shampooing, as you're rinsing, your hair just feels like soft, and this didn't give me that. It gave me dry. But also, it's a shampoo, and it's not its actual intended purpose is to give me, you know, hydration. It just is an added bonus to the cleansing process. But still, as a moisturizing shampoo, I did think it was going to give me a little bit more moisture. My hair still feels dry. But as a shampoo, it was really nice. You saw the lather, and this is sulfate-free, of course. So not a bad shampoo, just not gonna give you moisturization. Okay, so we have butter mask, and the butter mask, let's see, I'm trying to figure out, it says leave on for 3 to 5 minutes. I'm definitely gonna leave it on for longer. It has coconut oil, it has palm oil, it has avocado oil, jojoba oil, shea butter, and a list of other ingredients in there. So hopefully any one of those oils will give me something, a little life. So I'm going to be generous with this. I actually, you know what I should put it in sections, but it's fine. I'll just take some like that. And then what I like to do to like evenly distribute product in my hair is just lightly kind of do this motion. And then if I need to add more throughout, then I will. I mean, this feels, it's super thick and it feels luxurious. Again, again, it feels super luxurious. I'm curious to see how it's going to rinse out, if it's going to rinse out as nice and soft as my hair feels right now, because my hair feels really soft. So I'm just going to kind of do this in sections. I'm not going to twist it up or anything like that. I'm just going to let it sit in a plastic cap and then cover it. And again, scent-wise, this one, it's very light. It's almost indistinguishable. Like you gotta like, I'm just trying to get back to, this is, I guess, officially journey to bra strap length. Or actually, can we at least get to like armpit length? I mean, I cut it. I would have been at armpit length, but here's my armpit. And then I ended up cutting like about this much. So I guess back to armpit length and then to bra strap length. I think if I challenge myself, I'll be a lot more dedicated to make sure that A, my hair is always hydrated. Haven't been eating as much kale as I normally eat, but I got back on it. I ate some kale yesterday, so the hair growth shall be back. Okay, so we got the cap on, and then I have one of these towels here. This is from Strivectin. I love this one, and it's basically like a hood towel kind of situation. Put it on this, and it's usually, I guess it's technically made for just like when you wash your hair, but I like to use it as a deep conditioning cap because it keeps the heat in. So I'm gonna sit with this for about a half an hour. Ideally, I need to get a steamer, y'all. I think I'm gonna get a steamer. I'm trying to figure out how, what, where, when, but start steaming my hair, and I think steaming it is really gonna help with the moisture level. So anyway, 30 minutes, and then I'll be right back. It's been 30 minutes, so just wanna see how it feels. I can feel all that like heat. Okay, it feels, I don't know if it feels the softest, but I am curious to see how it's going to feel once I rinse it out. So I'm gonna go ahead, rinse this out, and then I'll be right back. Just rinsed out my hair, so let's see. Okay, it doesn't feel as soft as I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was just gonna be like butter soft. Doesn't feel that. It just feels conditioned, you know, it feels conditioned. So I am going to, let's do the leave-in. So I'll start in the front. I'm gonna section off my hair. So the leave-in here is the 3-in-1 conditioner. It's a rinse out, leave-in, or a co-wash. And has avocado oil, coconut oil, jojoba, shea butter. So pretty much everything that was in this butter mask, plus some other ingredients, of course. I'm curious to see. I have actually used this as I used it as the rinse out conditioner in the shower, but I also mixed it with something else. So I'm giving this its fair chance, but I'm going to use it today as a leave out leave-in. And to see how that feels. It feels really nice on my hair, and I feel like it's a really nice detangler. So I think today I'm going to go ahead and use a oil. This is the Pattern Jojoba Oil hair serum. Just to seal it in because my hair, like I said, has been unusually dry lately. So I'm going to switch up my methods and see if this is going to give me like really nice, juicy, plump curls. I just want to get my hair as juicy as possible. This is just the leave outs. This is without the oil gel. So I'm going to start in the back because this is how I like to apply styling products. Hair's starting to dry, so I've got to work a little fast because I don't want to wet it. So this nourishing jelly helps loosen wound up curls and fights frizz. Rake throughout clean, damp hair, air dry, or diffuse. And again, it has all those same kind of ingredients as the other product, all the other oils. The coconut oil, jojoba oil, avocado oil, and the shea butter. Ooh, this feels really nice. I've used this product before, but I'm not sure if this is a repackaging or if this is a reformulation. But this feels really nice. And it's an oil gel, so this should give me that moisture that I've been crying for. And of course it should layer really well with the leave-in product too, which it looks like it is. It's not giving me any kind of clumping in my hands. The product looks really nice and smooth. So sometimes products you can't, even within the same companies or the same product lines, you have trouble layering them. And I'm like, are you supposed to go together? Now, in terms of definition, this definitely reminds me a lot of the product I used in my last video, where I was just so kind of concerned that it wasn't going to clump my hair and give me great definition. But I don't want to count this product out just yet because the last product really fooled me and gave me the best definition. So let me put it all in, dry it, and then really get an idea as to if this product is going to clump or not. So I have the product all worked through my hair. I added a little bit of water and it literally just popped, like immediately popped. So I think it needed that because my hair was getting a little dry as I was applying the product, but it looks really nice and juicy now that I added just a little bit of water to get it going. Let's go ahead and diffuse. I'm taking this blow dryer. This is a T3 Curelax. Love this one. And this is how I've just been diffusing. Because my hair is a little bit drier these days, I think I'm going to go ahead and just use a low heat on a high speed so we can get it cracking. So my hair is about, I would say, a good 90% dry. 95% dry, and my hair looks like I don't even know how to, it looks like it's still wet, but it's not. My hair is dry, which means that it has moisture and it's shiny for once, and oh my gosh, I keep touching it because I'm like, there's no way that it's dry, but it is. So I'm gonna keep on blow drying. Like, look at the, I've truly never experienced moisture like this before. This is crazy. So I'm just going to keep on blow drying until it's like 100%, and then I'll be right back just to show you guys that it's like fully dry. Wow. Yeah, my hair is 100% dry. And the way that it looks and feels, I'm just stunned. That product, the gel oil, Star of the show. That's all I needed to use. I'm a believer that this is now my new favorite wash and go products, period. I didn't need to add anything else. It was just the leave-in, a little bit of the pattern oil, and then the oil gel. And that was it. And that's so simple. And that's all I need in my life to make my hair feel like this. This is crazy. It just feels like, oh my God. And there's like no residue on my hands. Nothing. No flaking. There's nothing. It's just like perfection. Definition with moisture. So you don't, it's like, it comes together and my curls are defined, but it's not like I feel like I'm going to have to like, you know, crunch out the cast. It's not like that. It's just extremely defined and very shiny and soft and beautiful. Like, how? Everything else I was kind of like, That product, that's it. I don't need to try anything else from anywhere else either, because I was going to replenish my Mael Hawaiian Ginger, which I really, really liked. But I guess the thing about, well, actually, I really did like that product. And I was going to replenish that. But now, why? Why would I? This is it. Like, this is literally it. Let me come in closer so you guys can, like, really see what I'm talking about. Okay, let's get into this, please. Can we get into this? Like, look at these curls. Look at these curls. Like, look at that. The definition is absolutely incredible. Look at that. No residue, no flakes. Just completely, just perfect. Perfect. Never in my whole life. Never in my whole life. So yeah, you know what? There it is. I asked for some TLC. I got some TLC, all right? This is my hair now for the next like 3 days, because I'm actually curious to see how long this will last, this wash and go, only because, I don't know, I'm used to a hard crunch. And if it's not a hard crunch, I'm like, I don't know how long it's gonna last. But the definition is telling me otherwise. So I'm curious to see how long it's gonna last. And I don't know, that's all I have to say for you guys. So out of everything that I used today, that last product was literally everything. I highly encourage you guys to go get that product, the gel oil. If you don't get anything else, get that gel oil. Try it. You need it for your life. I swear. They sell it at Sephora. So even if you don't like it, you can always return it and take it back. But please, I mean, I highly encourage you guys to try this product and let me know what you think and how it worked for your hair, because wow. That's pretty much it. I got the TLC that I needed. I got the love. I got the moisture. I got the shine. I got all of the things that I wanted today. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. If you guys have tried Bumble and Bumble. And I will see you guys next time with another hair video. Next time, hopefully it will be that middle part braid, because I really want to do it so bad. But until then, guys, I love you. Bye.